Welcome to our tutorial on how to use the BetMGM promo code on mobile. BetMGM is one of the leading sports betting apps, and today we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started. Our BetMGM promo code offers significant bonuses for new users. It's important to understand the benefits so you can maximize your rewards right from the start. Let's start by downloading the BetMGM mobile app. Simply visit your app store, search for BetMGM, and hit download. Now it's time to create your account. During the registration process, be sure to enter the promo code in the designated field to unlock your bonuses. To set up your account, you'll need some basic information. This includes your name, email, and any other required details. Let's go through the list together. Once registered, open the app and navigate to the Bonuses and Promotions section. Here, you'll find all the offers available to you as a new member. Activating your bonus is easy. Simply follow the prompts in the app to claim your bonus linked to the promo code. Let's go through that process now. If you experience any issues during signup, don't worry. We'll cover common problems and their solutions right here. After signing up, you'll have access to a variety of exciting features, including live betting, in-depth stats, and customer support. Explore the app and discover all it has to offer. To recap, remember to download the app, use the promo code during signup, and explore all the fabulous bonuses available to you. Dive into your BetMGM adventure today.